Have you ever tried to make your seasoned rice? Today I'm gonna teach you how to make it. Go ahead and add some oil to your pot, some onion and some mixed vegetable. Then add some seasoned salt, some paprika, all purpose seasoning, black pepper, abdullah, and jerk seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your preference. Then I go ahead and add some ketchup. Then I go ahead and add in my mackerel. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful. Then I go ahead and wash my rice. If you want to see this full video, go check out my YouTube channel, Cooking with Rima Jed. Nice and good and wonderful. Look at this. Then I go ahead and pour that rice in. Then I'll mix it up with the mackerel. Nice and good and wonderful. Then I go ahead and pour in some water to cook down the rice. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. Look at that. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely follow on this video to see more awesome videos like these. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel, Cooking with Rima Jed, to see many more videos on my channel. Until next time, I am out of here.